Samantala, high-level delegation mula sa tatlong sangay ng gobyerno magtutulungan para isulong ang interes ng bansa sa International Court. Ang kinatawan ng Pilipinas ay magtutungo sa the Netherlands sa susunod na linggo para sa nakatakdang oral arguments kaugnay sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. Narito ang report ni Elena Luna.
Magtutulong-tulong ang tatlong sangay ng gobyerno ng para isulong ang interes ng bansa sa International Court. Sinabi ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Balte na gagawin ito ng high-level delegation na pupunta sa Arbitral Tribunal sa Permanent Court of Arbitration sa The Hague sa the Netherlands para sa kaso ng Pilipinas laban sa China sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea.
It clearly shows the support of government for the case. Across the board, it's not only the executive, it's the legislative, it's also the judiciary, that it's a country effort. So one, it shows the support that hindi po ito yung parang finay lang para masabing may ginawa tayo tas hinayaan na lang. That's one of the that is being disproven by this.
Ilan lamang sa mga miyembro ng delegasyon, sina Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr., Defense Secretary Voltaire Gasmin, DFA Secretary Albert Del Rosario, Justice Secretary Leila de Lima, Senate President Franklin Drilon, House Speaker Sonny Belmonte, at Supreme Court Associate Justices Antonio Carpio at Francis Hardalesa.
A lot of the members of the delegation have something to contribute to the discussions. These people have been part of the discussions on the dispute involving the West Philippine Sea, and they would also like to see the progress of our complaint, of our memorial before the tribunal. It really, to us, if China has chosen not to attend, then that is their decision. But for the government, we will fully support and see through these proceedings.
Nakatakda ang hearing mula July 7 hanggang 13. Tatalakayin dito ang issue kung may jurisdiction ba o wala ang Arbitral Tribunal sa kaso ng Pilipinas laban sa China. Ayon sa DFA, ang maglalahad ng posisyon ng Pilipinas ay si Solicitor General Florin Hilbay kasama ang abogado mula sa law firm na nakabase sa Washington.
Why it's important? If in any case, if the tribunal does not have jurisdiction, then it ends there. So even if it may just be a jurisdictional issue, every step of the way, every forward step that we take is important for us.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.